Have you ever considered a service that makes your business function efficiently? Introducing Wolken's ITSM solution. Wolken's ITSM helps you remain on top of business functions by streamlining the way you manage and offer service to your end users on a single cloud platform. Minor or major interruptions to the business services can cause an incident, leading to revenue loss and downtime. Notifications are sent via email, SMS, WhatsApp, and Slack when an incident is created and updated. The created incidents can be tracked, prioritized, categorized, and resolved by the team. If the incident is a priority P1 or a major incident, it is assigned to the Major Incident Management Group for quicker resolution. The resolutions are recorded in the knowledge base for future reference. Users can find solutions to incidents by searching the knowledge base, and analysts can read and share articles with end users. An SLA is assigned to an incident based on priority attributes. With the inclusion of an inbuilt knowledge base and skill-based routing, 99% of the incidents are handled and resolved rapidly, allowing business services to swiftly resume. Get in touch if you want to find out more about Wolken's ITSM features. We are always glad to be at your service.